Okay, CopyKnot's installation instructions and video tutorial. How do we install CopyKnot? Well, it's a simple three-step process. You download the plugin, you install it, you activate it, and for new users you'll then pay. And let's take a look at each step. Then we'll show a video tutorial of CopyKnot being downloaded, installed and activated. Downloading CopyKnot is easy. Visit CopyKnot.com, click the orange button for Get CopyKnot Now, and follow your browser's instructions, if any, to download the file. Installing it is also easy. Open your WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins in the left-hand menu, and then click Add New. Then click Upload Plugin on the new page. Click Choose File and navigate to the plugin in your Downloads folder. This is a zip file called CopyKnot WP CopyKnot Plugin. Click Install Now and then click Activate Plugin. How to activate CopyKnot? Using and installing CopyKnot is then really easy. You click the padlock icon in the left-hand menu to access the CopyKnot setup. You enter your email address to receive the report. You click Upgrade Plan. Choose the plan and pay via PayPal for your security, and that's it. And viewing the report is very simple too. If you've just activated CopyKnot, you'll need to refresh in your browser window. But if not, visit the WordPress dashboard, click the padlock icon to access CopyKnot's page, and then click View CopyKnot Report. Downloading CopyKnot couldn't be easier. Visit our website at CopyKnot.com and just click the Download CopyKnot button. You'll then be asked, possibly by your browser, where you want to save it. Save it, and it's there. Visit your WordPress dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find Plugins. Click on that. Click on Add New. Click Upload Plugin. Then click Choose File. Then click Install Now. And once the plugin has been installed, you can click on Activate Plugin. Once the plugin has been activated, you'll find a CopyKnot menu item in the left-hand menu, along with a sort of padlocky icon. Click on that. You can choose where your CopyKnot report will be sent to. In this box here, just put your email address in, click on Save. You'll then need to refresh the page. And then you can view the CopyKnot report like this. And you can only see the first 10 actions on the report. You'll then need to upgrade and pay for the plan as necessary. Click the Get Started icon under the correct plan. Let's take Photojournalist. Click the Subscribe button. And you'll be taken to PayPal to pay. Then, whenever you want to access your CopyKnot report, it's very simple. Click the CopyKnot icon, followed by the View CopyKnot Report. Thank you very much for watching this video.